Hi there guys, in this video I will show you how to add someone on Telegram by phone number. First guys, what you need to do is to get know his number or her number for yourself for getting up on your Telegram. As you can see right there, for example, we're gonna use this phone number on this person and I will go with copy number, and after getting the number from the person that you want to add him on Telegram or her, you need just to copy this phone number from the phone section, then go for your Telegram and write down. As you can see, just go on the pen side, and also you need to click again on that side, which is now for adding contacts. Click on it. Here you can type his name or her name and also the last name, and then here you should add the phone number. Right after that, when I get for this, for example, here I go with the name, and then on the tick on your right side, as you can see, they are telling you that this person is not on Telegram yet. Would you like to invite them to join? If they are not on Telegram yet, as also in this case, you need just to go on the invite section and then you can invite him or her with some of these options. Thanks guys for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and share the video. See you soon guys.